A very good morning, students. Let's start our English class. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So, in our last class, we were in. Let me open the ebook. We had completed this chapter, which was paper boat. I think. What is the name of that chapter?
Paper boat.
Yes.
Paper boat.
We had completed this chapter, paper boat. Word meanings, question answers, exercises, everything. But I think that last exercise was left. This one. This exercise was left that day. So let's start completing this exercise. But if you have to tell me the answer, but you have to tell me the meaning also. Understand? So here in this question, what we have to do? Open page number 83. Okay. Open page number 83. So here you can see, fill in the crosswords with homophones. Homophones, what is homophones means? Homophones means the pronunciation is same, but the spelling and the meaning is different. So here we have to write the homophones of the word given here. Now, here it is written true. THREW, true. And in these boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have to write 7.
True.
Sorry, what is the what is the word which will come here? Who can tell me? Yes, Neela.
True.
Sorry.
Ma'am.
True.
Yes, ma'am. True.
The spelling. Can you tell me the spelling?
Yes, ma'am. THROUGH.
THROUGH. Yes. Let's try.
Amma.
Now, next word is down. First of all, let's complete across. Let's complete across words. The words we have to write in across. Second is number 6. Move to the number 6 here. This is number 6. Okay. Second is number 4 actually. Stairs. So what is the spelling and which is the word here? Here,
Ma'am, SPA.
True means THREW. True means क्या होता है? Can you tell me? Who can tell me true means? THREW, true means? Yes, Sparsh. Tell the class.
Ma'am, फेंकना.
Yes, THREW, true. It means फेंका. THREW, true. True means फेंका. Okay. But the meaning of this throw is, who can tell me? Throw. Neela, you told the answer. Tell me the meaning.
Across
Throw
the I'm across in between something.
Yes, it's correct. Actually, through means we use buy in place of throw sometimes. Yes. Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, meaning of through is dwara.
Yes, in Hindi we can say Dwara. In Hindi is Dwara. कि I sent that letter to my friend through a postman. Understand? Off your mic. Who is talking? Neela, off your mic. I sent a letter to my friend through a mail or through a postman, whatever we can say. The Hindi meaning is Dwara, but you can say that by the and across. Okay, that's okay. Now, next is number 4, which is stair. There are two words which means different, but the pronunciation is same. Here, stair means STAIR is written. So what is the next stair means? Stairs means. Next stairs means. Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, stair.
That means, and the spelling is.
Ma'am, STARE.
Meaning.
Ma'am, meaning of it. Ma'am, dekhna.
Yes, Dekhna, Khuna. And the meaning of the stairs, STAIR.
Meaning of stairs is ma'am सीढ़ियाँ.
Yes. Next, number 6, by. What is the homophone of by? 2 words.
Ma'am, BY.
Yes.
Ma'am, BY.
DY. That means.
Huh?
Next. Number 8, meet, MEAT. What is the homophone of meet? Number 8. Where is 8? Yes. Okay, let me tell you the answer fast. Otherwise, we'll spend most of our time at this. Meet, MEET. Next is number 9, peer. PAIR. 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 Next is number 10. Here is a kind of fruit. And here pair means chilna. To peel something. Next 10 is there. 10. I think you all know that the another there. THERE. Next is 2. That's very simple. That's very simple. TOO, I guess.
Ma'am, 300.
TOO, yes. T. 2 means B. Now move to the downwards. So here, HAIR. A. I.
Here.
Next is
Ma'am,
high. Number 3, high. 4 words. HIGHI. Next is number 4 is C. I hope you all have seen that and you all know that. SEAC. Next is number 5th is send. Number 5, where is number 5? Yes. Send. SCEND. Send. Okay. Next is number 6 is there. 6. Yes. BEAR is written to BEER. Now, number 7 is fair. FAIR. Where is fair? Number 7. There is 7. Internet connection. F-A-R-E. Do it fast. After that, we'll move to our grammar portion. Heel, H-E-E-L. Next, number 12, root, R-O-O-T. Next is number 13, four, F-O-R. These all are the homophones of the words which are given down. You all have to write them. Sometimes you can get this. So, students, our term one portion is completed now. Is that clear? Paper board. It was up to paper board. I hope you all have done this. Move to the next portion. So,
Yes,
I hope that our term one portion is completed. That was up to paper board, and we had completed it. Okay. So, if you have your grammar book, take it out. So, let's move to the grammar portion.
When we open the grammar book,
जी हाँ. Page number 36, adjectives. So students, open page number 36 of your book, chapter 12, adjective, English grammar chess. So here you can see, we'll study about, first of all, adjective. So here, adjective means, what is adjective? Adjective means describing word. Adjectives are describing words. Verbs are action words. Nouns are naming words. Understand? So same as it is, adjective is describing word, which describes about nouns, which tells us about noun and pronoun. The word which tells us about noun and pronoun is called adjective. So adjective tells us many things about noun. You can see it is a beautiful dress. The word which is written in bold here is adjective. The word beautiful tells us about the kind of dress, which type of dress. Intelligent, kind of girl, which type of girl is that, Jyoti. I have two dresses. How many dresses I have? This word two is telling. The big table has 6 legs. How many legs that table has? So these are the words which tells us about noun. Okay, these words are called adjective. This is a heavy door. So heavy is an adjective. The door is heavy. Again, heavy is adjective here. Here heavy is the adjective and door is noun. We can say the door is noun because this word heavy is telling about the word door. Underline the adjective in the following sentences. I hope you all can do this exercise easily, but let me tell you two, three answers, 2-3 questions, answers of 2-3 questions. The first one is, the class was very noisy. So here, which is adjective and which is noun? Yes, Akshi.
ma'am, noisy.
And which is noun?
Ma'am, class.
Yes.
ma'am, class.
Yes, noisy is adjective. Next is, it is warm afternoon. Who can tell me? Which is adjective here? Warm afternoon. Yes,
Ma'am,
Sparsh.
warm.
Sparsh.
Ma'am, warm.
And which is a noun?
Ma'am, afternoon.
Yes, because this word warm is telling about the afternoon. I hope you all can do rest of the questions. The garden is beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. The elephant is huge animal. Huge is adjective. I have 2 rabbits. 2 is adjective. Jyoti is an intelligent child. Intelligent is adjective. I hope you all can do the rest of the exercise. Put a noun after each of these sentences. Here we just have to put a simple noun. Okay. So let me write the some nouns for you so that cute baby. Neat dress. An innocent girl. A good boy.
Ma'am, boy.
Yes. A tidy room.
Room.
An old woman.
Ma'am, man.
Man, woman, whatever you can write. A brave man. A broken glass. Try to use one word in one blank. Do not repeat that word again in another blank. A sunny day. Yes, Aradhya. Any doubt? Okay. A large river. A tree you can write. An interesting story. Interesting book also you can write. This is up to you. We just have to write any noun for these adjectives. They all are adjectives. A blue shirt.
Ma'am, sky.
Blue sky you can write. That's also a noun. But a blue, a is written. A. Take care that a is written. So a we cannot use a for sky. Yes. Yes, Arushi.
Then we can also write ourselves.
Yes. Use your mind and use it. Any word, write down any word, but do not repeat that word. And it should be senseful. मतलब उसका कुछ sense निकलना चाहिए. Not senseless. Put suitable adjective that go with these nouns. Here you have to write adjectives now. I hope you all can write adjective at least. Boy, you can write good boy. Elephant, huge elephant. Don't forget to put a good boy, a huge elephant, a beautiful girl, a cute dog, a lovable grandfather, a pleasant weather, an interesting book, the hot sun, a neat classroom, the black cloud, a wonderful teacher, a nice pen, a tall boy.
Ma'am, a good pen.
Good, we have already used here good na in first one. First में पहले से ही good use किए हैं, a good boy. So I told you that do not repeat the word. Next is underline the adjectives and circle nouns they describe. Oh, this exercise is very simple. I just like the first one. I want 2 apples. 2 is an adjective.
Adjective.
Yes, and apples noun. So you have to do this exercise by yourself. It's very simple. Adjective and nouns. Circle the noun and underline the adjective. Aradhya, can you do this exercise by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that you all can do this exercise. Advika, can you do this exercise by yourself? Advika, can you do this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ritika, can you do this exercise by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of this one. Mumbai is a big city. Which is noun and which is adjective?
Big is the adjective. Mumbai is a noun.
Yes. I hope that you all can do this exercise. Move to the next one. Exercise number E. Write in the space provided adjective from the box which is similar in the meaning to the one underlined in each sentence. So we have to write the similar word of the word which is underlined here. Understand? Fatima looks beautiful. Which is the similar word of beautiful here? Unkind, delicious,
Ma'am?
irritated, timid, brave,
Ma'am?
pretty, sick.
Pretty. Pretty.
Pretty.
Yes, pretty. We should not be cruel.
Pretty.
Cruel. Similar word of cruel is unkind.
Ma'am?
Unkind.
Similar-
Unkind.
My aunt shouts when she is annoyed. Similar word of
Irritated. Irritated.
irritated. Yes. Maya is quite child. Quite.
Timid.
Yes. Timid. What is the meaning of timid? Who is telling the answer? Okay. Next, number 5. I was absent because I was unwell. What is the similar word of unwell?
Ma'am?
Sick.
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 Yes. Next, the elephant is huge animal. Oh, I hope that you all know that. The similar word of huge.
Big.
Exactly.
Big. Big.
Soldiers were very courageous.
Grapes.
Yes, brave. The food was very tasty.
Delicious.
Find words from the word great, which means the opposite of the given word. Now, here we have to find out the words from the word great and the opposites of the word which are given here. We have to find long. What is the opposite of long?
No short.
Short. Understand? I hope you all can find out. First of all, if you want, then you can write the word here.